Atrodamies šeit, Latviešu namā, uz tradicionālo aizbildņu Ūronga tautas Jaluket Viļņiem silts zemes. Vēlos apliecināt cieņu viņu saknei ar zemi, jūru un savu kopienu, un izteikt cieņu arī visu aborigēnu un kodušu šaurumu savu tautu kultūrai, tradīciju piekopšanas un uzturēšanai. I want to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the lands on which we meet, gather, dance and sing today, pay our respects to elders past and present, and acknowledge their continuing connection to the land and to songs and dances that they've expressed for many thousands of years. Thank you all for being here. Paldies, Kapitāni. Dejot prieks. Tautas dejas ne tikai saista dejotājs ar latviešu kultūru, bet arī iepriecina dejotājs, pašas dejotājs, savu kustībām un vienotības sajūtu. Šodien mēs vēlamies jūs iepriecināt savu dejām un dziesmām. Dejat glāņi, zābe kiemi, laidību tautu istabiņā. Sit māsiņa plokstiņāmi, lai skan tavi grezeniņi. Un es atradu citu tautas dziesmas, kas sākas ar kājas man, dansot grib. Tātad, pirmā deja. Paldies. Tā bija Zemenīte. Tagad es lūkšu priekšā Lāru Brennere un Noemi Vitners, lai jums tursim pastāstīt par ritenīti un par piekto riteni. Paldies!
Hi, I'm Mary Withers and I was the buddy type for Pictos Litans for 14 years. So I'll just give you a little bit of history on the dance group. So the idea for Pictos Litans started at the 49th Cultural Festival in Sydney in 2002, when Truck Eyes Pars performed. And so the idea of an older group, there was another group as well, for Melbourne was born. And with the Yvette Nicholas, we put a call out for dancers, and we got a great response. And in the first year, we had 19 dancers. So the name we arrived at was from a few different sources, but over beers, Pictos Editions stuck. So we chose a Taltus taffy, which quite a few of the dancers had. And so slowly we put that together for the group. In 2004 was the debut of the group in Melbourne, and over the years we've performed at all the different KDs and Baltic festivals when they've occurred. We've had a lot of people join the group, and we've had an average of about 6 pairs every year. And we still have quite a few of the original dancers still participating in the group. We have performed hundreds of dances, and we have a big repertoire with a few favourites that we all love to dance, but we've done many dances written by Skajrik Darius and Joris Stronge and Zig Mierzigs, and we also dance a lot of dancers from Canada and the US where we like the style of their dancing. But today we're doing a range of older dancers as well as newer ones from Latvia, and the group has been a place where many of the Australian partners of some of the young Latvian dancers became part of the Latvian community in Melbourne, and they made great friendships and felt like they belonged. So hopefully Mara will continue leading the group for many more years. Thank you.
Labdien, es arī pusi sāku latviešu valodā, un tā kāpēc mēs bišķiņ angliski, tā lai mūsu skatītāju pulks var baudīt abas valodas. Ritinītis uzsāka dejot 1953. gadā Aina Jurjānas vadībā, un turpmāk arī vadīja Dagmāra Stils, Ilga Bek, Ivars Dragons, Kalvis Jaunoksnis, Lāra Bremer, tā ir es, Markus Dragons, Lija Andersona, Markus Dragons un Lāra Brennere, Lija Andersona un Lāra Brennere, un turpmāk Lāra Brennere. Caur gadiem Ritinīts ir turpinājis reizi nedēļā savus mēģinājumus Melburnas Svētā Krusta baznīcā, skaistajā zālē, ko mēs vēl ar vienu dejojam. Liels paldies Prāvest Helgai, ka mums vēl ir tā iespēja mēģināt Svētā Krusta baznīcā. Un Melburnas sabiedrībā Ritinītis vēl palīdz veidot latviešu jauniešu kultūras mantojumu un to cer turpināt vēl ilgus gadus. So Ritinīts is classified as a youth group. We have many range in ages. We have both dancers who are second and third generation Latvians, possibly going to start into the fourth generation in the next few years, and it also gives an opportunity for partners to come and experience Latvian culture, as well as Latvians who may not have had the opportunity to learn the language. They can come along and learn some dancing and experience Latvian culture and traditions that way forward. At the moment we have around about 7 to 8 pairs, with a few more coming back, and Ritinīts is 70 plus 1. So we're actually 71 because our 70th was last year, but last year was a bit of a busy year with Melbourne KDs and the Latvian Cultural Festival, Song and Dance Festival in Latvia, and there just weren't enough weekends in the year post-COVID for everyone to fit everything in. So when Pictos has kindly invited us to participate today, a joint celebration seemed the ideal thing to do. Liels paldies, ka jūs visi esat baudījuši un atnākuši šodien svinēt mums līdz, un es ceru, ka jums ļoti patīk šo koncertu.
Paldies Lārai un Naimi. Tagad būs Ausma.
Agri, agri, so Jaunais pušķīnis ruceņu sniedze, oi, agri, agri, ruceņu sniedze, oi, agri, agri, ruceņu sniedze, parmelu sauce, ruceņu sniedze, parmelu sauce, oi, agri, agri, parmelu sauce, oi, agri, agri, parmelu sauce, oi, agri, agri, parmelu sauce. pūciņā, lairit saulē vakarāji, lairit saulē vakarāji, raidāja. Simt pociņā, iet pociņā, lairit saulē vakarāji, lairit saulē vakarāji, raidāja. Lairit saulē, lairit saulē, Salušas,
par kalnu gāju, kalniņā uz kāpu, ieraudzīju meitenīti, žēli raudājāmi. Ieraudzīju meitenīti, žēli raudājāmi. Ko tu puķi draudi, ko tu žēlojiesi, kādi mani neraudāti, kāliņš karājieti. Kādi mani neraudāti, kāliņš karājieti. Dievs atņēma tēvu, Dievs atņēma māti, kas man skaisti audzināja zobentiņu nesti. Kas man skaisti audzināja zobentiņu nesti. Augsti veidi būtā, margi kungi sūtā, svešajā zemītē jūras likumosi. Svešajā zemītē jūras likumosi. Karā nepalīti, karā bija grūta dzīve tēva dēliņāmi. Karā bija grūta dzīve tēva dēliņāmi. Karodziņu nesti, zobentiņu celti, ienaidnieka pulciņā asariņas dzerti. Ienaidnieka pulciņā asariņas dzerti.
Paldies jums visiem! Ceru, ka šo pēcpusdienu caur dejām un dziesmām mēs esam jums visiem iedvesmojuši tādu pavasarīgu un dzīves priecīgu sajūtu. Mēs tā, ka plānojam koncertu, gribējām tādu informālāku, teiksim, atmosfēru, un tā tad nebija domāts, ka apsveikumi mēs neielūdzam oficiāli Melburnas Latviešu organizāciju pārstāvis, bet tik vai tā man ir pienācis viens rakstiskais apsveikums, un es vēlos to izlasīt tik vai tā. Tas ir domāts man un Lārai. Un šis nāk no Jāna Kārtiņa, Daugavas Vanagu, Melburnas nodaļas valdes priekšsēdis. Diemžēl veselības dēļ nevaru šodien būt jūsu vidū. Kaut ļoti gribētu. Daugavas Vanagu Melburnas nodaļas un savā vārdā apsveicu 5. riteni un ritenīti savās jubilejās. 5. ritenis svin savu 20. darbības gadu jubileju un ritenīti savu 70. gadu. Tas rada interesantu gadījumu. Tautas deju kopa, kurā dejo jaunāki dejotāji, ir vecāka nekā tā tautas deju kopa, kurā dejo mazliet vecāki dejotāji. To sakot, skatoties uz 5. ritenes dejotājiem, daudzi no viņiem arī dejujuši ritenītī, un daudziem 5. ritenes dejotājiem bērni tagad dejo ritenītī. Nav pārsteidzoši, ka abas tautas deju kopas nolēma savas jubilejas svinēt kopā. Apsveicu 5. riteni ar 20 nodejotiem gadiem. Ir grūti ticēt, ka pagājuši 20 gadi kopš Naomi Lidders pārceļoties uz Melburnu, sadomāja dibināt tautas deju kopu mazliet vecākiem dejotājiem. Mīļš paldies Naomi, ka sadomāja to darīt. Apsveicu arī ritenīti. 70 gadi tiešām ir godam nodejotie gadi. Nav daudz organizāciju Melburnā, kuras sasniegušas vai pārsniegušas 70 gadus. Nezinu, vai ritenieša dibinātāji domāja, ka ritenītis vēl darbosies pēc 70 gadiem. Sirsnīgs paldies tiem, kuri nolēma dibināt tautaseju kopu, lai jauniešiem būtu nodarbības. I would now like to reiterate a couple of things in English. Unfortunately, I cannot be present to celebrate Piektais Ritenis 20th and Ritenītis 70th birthday parties due to ill health, although I would dearly want to be there. Over many years, I have helped out both groups and hopefully we'll be able to do so again. The links between both groups makes me think of the interesting point that the older group, Ritenītis, has the younger dancers, and the younger group, Piektais Ritenis, has the older dancers. Saying this, many Piektais Ritenis dancers have danced with Ritenītis, and many have children who now, or at some stage, have danced with Ritenis. With this link, it is not surprising that it was decided to celebrate together. On behalf of Dalgavas Vanagi, I would like to thank and congratulate Naomi Withers for coming up with the idea to form Piektais Ritenis, and to thank those who formed Ritenītis 70 years ago to give the youth of the day something to do. Novēlu abām tautas deju kopām jauku vakaru un vēl daudz gadus mūs iepriecinot. Un tātad, jo es to izlasīju, man jādod arī citiem iespēja, vai, ja vēlās pateikt dažus vārdus. Sandra.
Paldies! Labdien visiem un bieži sveiciens no Melburnas jautā kora Daina un vīrkora Vesers, un mēs vēlamies sirsnīgi apsveikt gan Piekto Riteni un Ritenīti uz jubilejā. Jā, labi, jā. Sakārtojies, paldies. Labi, vai varu palūgt lūdzu Māru un Lāru? Un mēs sirsnīgi vēlamies pateikties par iespēju kopā piedalīties šajā skaistajā jubilejā un par visiem ilggadīgiem gadiem, kur mēs esam kopā svinējuši un turpināsim to darīt, lai ripo riteņi.
I think Sally would like to say something as well.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you to all people coming today to watch our beautiful concert, our singing and dancing concert, and celebrating 2 milestones. This is to Mara and Naomi. Naomi's been our dance leader, and she was integral from the start, setting up our group. And both of these lovely ladies danced in the 2004 our first concert. They're different styles of teaching, and leadership, but both get the best out of us as a dancing group and prepare us very well for performances. Thank you both for the countless hours that you've spent watching videos of dancers and scribing the steps and moves to teach us. We have been taught a great variety of dances over the last 20 years. We've had a lot of fun performing, rehearsing, performing, travelling interstate for KDs, or to celebrate and to perform for other milestones in interstate cities, such as Canberra. We went to celebrate with them, and Sydney as well. Thank you both for being great leaders of our group, and I was one of the original from 2004 group as well, and I present a token of our appreciation.
Thank you. I didn't expect that. Thank you. So atkal, paldies jums visiem, skatītājiem no tuvienes un tālienes, kad apmeklējam koncertu un palīdzēja mums nosvinēt mūsu jubilejas. Es vēlos īpaši pašlaik pateikties vienai mūsu dejas ģimenes loceklei Iveta Ronai, Jautro pāra vadītāja, par tavu klātbūtni šodien. Paldies, Iveta! Šādu koncertu nevar rīkot bez palīdzības. Un es vēlos pateikties vairākiem cilvēkiem. I do want everyone to understand, so I'll say it in English. But a huge thank you, I'm sure I'm going to forget somebody, but a big thank you to Jānis and Arturs and Ronans for helping with the lighting and the sound. Even though Jānis couldn't be, he was on the phone to all of us for over 2 weeks, making sure that things were going to work tonight. So thank you, Jānis. Particularly, thank you to Lannis and Guido for sitting at the table to sell tickets. I appreciate that. Thank you also to Sue for putting the tickets together and printing them for us. Thank you to everyone who helped to set up the hall. There was a bit of activity here last night to make sure the hall looked nice for all of you. And also thank you to all of the amazing dancers who you'll get to thank in a minute, but thank you to all the amazing dancers for all of your work. A special thank you from me personally to all the Piedade Sriftdance dancers for your unwavering support and enthusiasm and all your hard work, especially as yes, we did extra rehearsals on the lead up to today. We've got to compete with younger dancers. And I always love, we always have a lot of fun. Even when we're in like serious concert preparation stress, we still have, however, a lot of fun, and hopefully you saw that in the dancing tonight. And a special thank you from me to Naomi as well for not just all her help for today, but for your vision for the group, to start the group in the first place, and for your support of me. And thank you to Laura for the particular help with music, there you are, for the music and everything else in the lead up to the concert. And not last but least, but thank you to the wonderful dancers, the choiristi. Singers, see? I see it dancing in my head. The singers, the beautiful singers from Veses and Alsma and Dinah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To bring life to the concert, really, because we wanted it to be about joy. And so what you've seen today is the dancers we love dancing, and you've heard the songs that the choirs love to sing. So I would like to, es lūkšu visus vadītājus uz priekšu, lai mēs varam jūs apsveikt. Just give me a moment to organise what we need to over in the corner. But if I could ask all of visus vadītājus priekšu, lūdzu, no koriem un no Lara arī. Paldies. Apologies, we're just organising what belongs to who. Paldies visiem vadītājiem. Paldies.
Paldies.
Un tagad mums būs pēdējā dēļa klubdansis. Šī mums īpaši iemīļotā dēļa. Before the dancers come on though, finally I would like to invite you all to join us after the concert for some refreshments and help us keep celebrating. Over to club dance.